today is na first of July, guys. July 1st na. OMG. Ang bilis ng panahon, July na. Grabe. So, it is 9:37 na. So, yeah, hindi na nakapag-vlog sa bahay kasi hindi na tayo na late na tayo nagising. So, hindi na tayo naligo and everything. Hayaan nyo na yan. Ngayon lang naman. But, yeah. So, tayo ay school shopping. Mag-school shopping tayo. Hindi naman natin kukunin lahat. But, mga school, mga clothes. Yun lang. Kasi medyo, alam nyo naman yung lugar namin is we're in the middle of, malayo sa lahat. So, we have to drive 1 hour and a half para makapunta sa store na gusto mong puntahan, like yung Target, Old Navy, ano pa ba yung mga store na pwede mong puntahan na mas so yun, yung mall malayo din, yung pinaka yung maayos na mall, yung hindi yung kagaya ng mall dun sa malapit sa amin na talagang dead na dead. So this one, yung mall na yung magdadrive ka na malayo, it's talagang maraming tao, ganyan. So this time, kaya, pero malayo-layo din naman yung ano matawag na to? Ano ba sinasabi ko? Hindi ko na maintindihan. Yung basta, kailangan natin mag-drive ng malayo-layo para makapunta dun sa mga store na gusto nating puntahan. And, so yeah, pupunta tayo ng Old Navy, pupunta tayo ng Target, para bumili ng mga clothes ni Troy at saka ni Natalia. So, sila lang muna yung bibilihan natin. And yung magkuya, bibilihan natin sila next month. So, dalawa lang din sila yung bibilihan natin. And then, after that, bibili tayo ng mga shoes. Kasi, ayoko muna bumili ng shoes ngayon. Kasi nga, baka mamaya, pag sinuotan nila ng pagdating ng school, it's hindi na kasya sa kanila. You know, yung mga ganon. Kasi, ang bilis ng lumaki ng mga bata. OMG. So, ayan. So, kami lang apat dahil yung kuya namin is nasa church camp sila. So, namimiss ko na sila. As in, kagabi, walang update. Yung kung anong oras sila natulog. Walang mga update na ganun. So, hindi na nakapagkilay. So, walang update na ganun. And then, this morning din, wala din update. Walang pictures. So, I'm like, ano yung gusto kong kung ano yung ginagawa nila ngayon, kung nag-breakfast na ba sila, yung ganon. Pero itong dalawang batan to hindi pa nagbe-breakfast kasi nga late na kami nagising and gusto ni daddy na umalis ng mas maaga para hindi naman kami nagmamadali kasi yung mga kuya is wala din naman sa bahay, so hindi kami nagmamadali na umuwi agad, pero syempre gawin para mas madami tayong magawa na or mapuntahan na gusto nating puntahan. But yeah, so anyways, ayun, nandoon sila sa gas station. Ang dami ko nang sinabi, OMG. Ayun na sila. Hello. What did
Troy, get in.
What did you guys get?
Get in.
Let Troy go in first, sissy.
Troy, go around.
Mommy, they had it then.
They had it.
Mommy, open the door over there. Go around.
They really had them. But they're giant.
What did you get, Troy?
This.
Alright, I'm gonna close the door, okay?
Not this side.
Yeah.
Did you bring spoons?
Huh?
I'm thirsty.
You're thirsty?
Did you bring spoons?
No, you can just use your finger. That'll be alright. Oh, you got Frosted Flake?
That's what he wanted.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So, this one, guys, ayan, yung mini cereal.
What I wanted.
I'll get
I'm
it.
trying to tell you that I wanted frosted flakes.
Oh, I'm sorry. Well, we're gonna get you a frosted flakes.
Did you
then.
try those at school?
I think so, cause that's
Yes.
Well, Caleb likes frosted flakes too.
yeah.
You should share them with
Hey.
them.
Well, she slid up.
Are you buckling up, sir?
Can you open that up for me?
I'll open it. Hold on. There we go. Dito na tayo. What is it, Sissy? Oh, this way. You two hold each other. Open the door. Aray ko. Pull, Troy. You're the man. All right.
No, I'll get clothes.
Okay. Come on, sis. Troy, Sissy. Come here. Oh, yan o. Bungad na bungad, oh. Ay, Sissy, this is a good for you because it's already has a short. Come here. Hey, come here. Troy, wait.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you.
Yeah.
Everything's
Hold
moving
on.
slower.
Oh, here.
Don't know what it is
That's
you
small.
do.
Let me see.
I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile.
I think this is good for you.
Hand in my hand, looking at the
Yeah.
sunset, man, you're looking good tonight. I just wanna kiss you before the sun goes down.
Look,
It's
look,
what
look.
you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm
Hold it.
falling.
First squirrel.
Moving, I can hear my calling.
Come here, Sissy.
No one else here that I see but you. It's what
Because that one has a short already.
I feel like I'm
So, I think that would be good for you.
falling in.
Nagbibili si daddy ng mga ano kay Troy. So, tapos na tayo kay Natalia. Well,
I'm going crazy for
i-haul natin mamaya pag uwi natin. Biting lang ako ng shorts for
Do
Troy.
you want this too?
Kasi kailangan niya ng shorts. Ito maganda to.
I just wanna let you know that I ain't playing no games.
Hindi tayo maraming kukuha ng ano kasi magmamalamig din naman.
I
So,
wanna kiss you before the
pang start
sun
na.
goes down. It's what you do.
Ay, ano pala oh. 6.99 na kasi oh. Nakakasaya ka pala, Bes. Kunin kita, Bes. Nakasaya ka pala. Ay, nahulog lahat ng kalabaw.
No one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling
Kailangan niya ng short eh. Bakit nakalagay? $8 na. Tapos nakalagay 8. So, sige.
I wanna kiss you before the sun
Yan, kasi pwede na maitali dahil may ano naman.
I wanna kiss you
Pwede na to.
before the sun goes down.
Pang start. Oh, oro.
It's what you're doing that's making me feel
Ah.
like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in.
Ayan guys, dito na kami sa Target. Actually, kanina pa kami dito. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. So, ito yung mga shorts na nakuha kay Troy. And meron pa nakuha si Daddy. So, this is a sleeve. Oh, short sleeve. What happened? So, guys, meron din sila ditong ano ba ito? Mga ballets to. Natalia, which one do you want? You already have one of these. But ito lang yung meron sila eh. We can order it online. We can order it online, girl. Okay. Look how cute this is. Ang cute naman nito. Ano ba pwede i-partner dyan? Hindi ako marunong talaga mag-partner-partner. Cute naman itong fluffy, ano na to. Ang cute niya. Ano ba to? Short? O ano? Is it short? It is. Anong damit ang pwedeng i-partner dito? Hindi ako sure. Ang dami din dito. Mga skirt shorts na ano. Kasi ito yung kailangan ni Natalia, mga ganito. Dahil para pagka ano. What? The seat is what? It's really hurting? Okay, hold on. Ito. Ito ang cute nito. Kasi ba ito si Edwin? Ako kasi kumuha ng malaking size. Kukuha na din ito. Kailangan niya ng short kasi mag-uwing hindi naman niya kailangan ng madami. Ang aso ba yan? Ito na lang. Dami na niyang damit. Tapos may Yosef. So, ito yung mga damit na nakuha natin, guys. Ang dami. Oh my goodness. Kasi lahat bago kay Natalia eh. Walang, ano. And kinuhaan ko na rin siya nitong kanyang top shoes. Ayan. Ayan. Ito lang kung gusto ko kapuhaan ng ganito. Uy, ang ganda talaga nito. Kasi hindi ko siya alam partneran eh. Buang. Hindi ko alam partneran. Next time na yan. Tara na. Let's go na. Don't put your mouth in there. She's so sad. Why are you sad?
Because I want out.
You wanna get out?
Yeah.
Saka ka na magpantalon pagka ano na. Malamig na. Okay.
Can you want back?
I don't know. What are they? It's like a pencil case or something. She's not missing the point of you telling her. Uh-huh. Look, you're not looking that one?
Can I get this?
I don't think so. No, it's okay. You better ask Daddy for that.
Hey.
for?
I don't know what she's...
Get it for, sissy. It's supposed to be when you need to get it. I'm gonna get it.
$12.99.
We'll see how good you are in the store. If you're not good, you're not gonna get it.
Say, okay, Daddy. So, dito kami sa car, guys. And si Daddy na yung nag-check out. Kasi itong dalawa nang gugulo na. So, ayan. Gusto na daw nilang umuwi. My goodness. Kaya hindi ka pwede talagang magsama ng bata kapag ka nagsha-shopping. Dahil, gusto nila agad na umuwi. Yung isang store pa lang na pupuntahan mo, gusto na nilang umuwi. My goodness. Kaya, kaloka. Na gastos natin sa Old Navy is 215 yata kasi meron mga discount. And then dito sa Target hindi ko alam, so hopefully kasi nagano kami ng budget ni Daddy na 500 sa kanilang dalawa, so hopefully 300 lang dito sa at hindi tayo mag-over para so alam nyo ba, until now, wala pa tayong update. May nagsisend sila ng mga pictures and everything, pero walang pictures sa aking mga boys. So, they're busy, they're doing whatever na kung naman yung ginagawa nila. So nag-ask ako, kasi naka-add ako sa group. So, nag-ask ako kung pwedeng bigyan ako ng pictures ng mga babies ko. Kasi namimiss ko na yung mga baby ko, oh my gosh. Kasi iba talaga kapag na alam mo na nandoon lang sila sa bahay ng lola nila at anytime pa din mo silang makita or whatever, but this time kasi talagang malayo sila, so yeah, we're eating McDonald's, guys, for lunch. Troy, sissy, are you guys eating? You eating your nuggets?
Yeah, these are delicious.
It's delicious.
So delicious that I'm watching 5 seasons of videos.
What was the blow kissing, girl? She said, this is so delicious. You're so cute, girl. I can't wait for you to try all the clothes that you got. The poop on the window, on her window, is coming out. It's getting out.